On this video today, I'm going to show you one of the best strategies that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is free, and the best part is that it is available worldwide. Wherever you are in the world, you can use this method to make money from home. As you can see, this is my dashboard, and you can see I've made $23,649.07. This is the amount that I've made, and you can see the number of clicks. You can see the earning per click. Let me refresh the page so that you can see. So let me refresh it for you to see. You can see it has been refreshed. As you can see, everything remains the same. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know so that you can be making money with affiliate marketing even if you are a complete beginner without any skills. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. In this case, I'm using Digistore24. Digistore24 is available worldwide, and the best part is that they have a lot of different methods of payment that you can choose. So when you make a sale, they will pay you through any of the payment methods that you have chosen. Now, once you are on Digistore24, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, Marketplace, so that you can find offers to promote. Once you click on the Marketplace, you're going to see a page like this. As you can see right here, they have categories of digital products that you can promote. You can see right here, they have animals and pets, they have betting system, they have business and investment, computer and internet, dance and music, dating, love and relationship. There are a lot of different categories of digital products that you can promote to earn money on this website. And the best part is that most of them have a higher commission. So anytime you get a sale, you're going to be earning a lot of money. Apart from the data products, you can promote events and seminars, physical data medium, services, physical products. Any of the categories that you choose, you will get products that have higher commission. So when you promote those offers, you are going to be earning profit even if you are using paid traffic. As you can see on your screen, this is a product that I can promote, and you can see the commission rate is $367.06. You can see that is the commission rate. When you scroll down, you can see the next one. The commission rate is $118.75. That is the amount that you are going to earn per every sale that you get. The next product, the commission rate is $148.31. That is the amount that you are going to earn when you get a sale. So you can scroll and then choose any product that you want so that you can promote it. On Digistore24, you don't need an approval to promote a product. All the products are readily available, so you can choose any product that you want and then promote it. You can see the products, they are into different pages. So any page that you click on, you are going to be getting products that you can promote to earn a commission. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to choose one of the products that I've been promoting so that I can promote it step by step for you to see. So I'm going to be promoting this offer right here, lean bellies. You can see it has a good cart conversion rate. You can see it is 20%. So when you promote this product to 200 people, you are going to get up to 20% of those people purchasing the product. So this is one of the best products that you can promote. Apart from this product, you can choose any other product that you want and then promote it. Now, once you have chosen the product, the next step is that you are going to click on copy promo link. Once you click on it, it is going to open like this, so you can be able to see more details about the product. For example, you can see it is a weight loss supplement. You can see weight loss offer convert. So it is one of the weight loss supplements that you can promote. You can see this is the price of the product. You can see your commission rate is 65%, and you can see many other details. You can see the cancellation rate is very low. It has 3.80% cancellation rate. Apart from those details, you can click on affiliate support page. Once you click on it, you can get to know the resources that the product owner has for you that you can use to promote the offer. Apart from that, you can also click on sales page. Once you click on the sales page, you get to know some basic information about the product. The sales page is the landing page of the product. It's the first page that your potential visitors are going to see before they purchase the product. So it is important to check the sales page so that you get to know whether it has a good sales page or not. If a product is not having a good sales page, you are not going to be getting conversion when you promote it. So you have to check the sales page so that you can get to know more about the product. So just click on the sales page. Once you click on the sales page, you're going to see a page like this. As you can see, this is an image of the product. You can see the natural method that support healthy weight loss and steady blood sugar levels. The product will help people to lose weight. It will also help them to maintain a healthy blood sugar level. When you scroll down, you can see many other details about the product. As I scroll, you can see the ingredients. As I scroll down, you can see your potential customers are entitled to bonuses. So once they purchase up to 6 bottles or 3 bottles, they are entitled to free bonuses that they can get access to. When you scroll down, you can see the shipping is free. So when your potential customers buy, they are going to get free shipping to wherever they are. Apart from that, when you scroll down, you can see they have the product in 3 different pricing packages. You can see the first package, your potential visitors are going to be paying $69 per bottle. The second one, they're going to be paying $49 per bottle. The third one, they're going to be paying $59 per bottle. So any of the pricing package that your potential visitors choose, while they make a purchase, you are going to be earning money. You can see they have money back guarantee. So when your potential visitors purchase the product and they are not satisfied with the results, they can return the product within 180 days and they are going to get their monies back. So it is a trustworthy product that you can promote, since they have a lot of information that your potential customers can read and then make a purchase. Now, once you have gotten to know the basic information about the product, the next step is that you have to begin promoting it. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on Digistore24. Once you come back, you can click right here, copy promo link. Once you click on it, your promo link has been copied. Now what you have to do is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people to click on your promo link and then purchase the product through that promo link, so that you can be tracked and paid a commission anytime you make a sale. There are a lot of different traffic sources that you can use to promote the product. We have free traffic sources and we have paid traffic source. So any kind of traffic source that you want, you can use. In this case, I'm going to show you a free traffic source that you can use to get people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is a classified website that is based in the United States. Most of the traffic is coming from the United States, and you know United States is one of the tier 1 countries, so you are going to be getting people who have the purchasing power to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product for you to make money. You can see these are the popular locations that you can post your ad in the United States. You can see the popular locations. As you can see a whole lot of different locations that you can post your ad for free. You don't need to pay anything. All that you need to do is that you have to create an account. Once you create an account, you can go ahead and then promote your affiliate link on this website without paying for anything. To create an account, what you have to do is that you have to come right here and then click on My Yalwa. Once you click on it, select Home. Once you select Home, you are going to see a page like this. You can see right here, register in 20 seconds. Click on it so that you can enter your details and then get access to a free account. Once you create your account and log in, you are going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to click right here, List Your Business Now. Click on it so that you can post your ad. Once you click on it, you can see Advertise Your Company on Yalwa. More than 10 million visits. You can see millions of businesses worldwide, 10 years and counting. So they have been in business for 10 years. So now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, List Your Business. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to select the category of your business. In this case, the product that you are promoting is a weight loss product, so it is under the health category. You can see health and beauty. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see alternative medicine, beauty, healthcare, medical specialist. Select any of them that best describe the offer that you are promoting. In this case, we are going to select healthcare. Once you select healthcare, you are going to see a page like this. You can see the different subcategories under healthcare. So scroll down to the button so that you can find the right category. You can see weight loss. Click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to click on proceed. Once you click on proceed, you are going to see a page like this. You can see company name. Just enter anything that you want. Once that is done, you are going to write a description. So you can write a brief description of the offer here. Right here, if you want, you can also type the name of the product. When you come back on Digistore24, you can see this is the name of the product. Just highlight and then copy it. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it here as your company name. Once that is done, the next step is that you're going to write a brief description of the offer. So if you want, you can write your own description, or you can go back on the product landing page and then find some brief information about the offer. Once you get the information, you can come back and then paste it right here. When you come back on the landing page of the product, You can see they have a lot of information about the product. So just scroll upwards so that you can find some brief information about the product. You can see this is information about the product. Highlight and copy everything. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As considered has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to add an image of the product. So you can add up to 20 images. You can see right here, you can add up to 20 images. So just go on Google and then search for images of the offer. So just come on Google and then search for lean belly. Search for it. Once you search for it, you're going to see a page like this. Click on images. Once you click on images, you can see different images of the product. Right click on any of the images that you want to download. Once you right click on it, select save images so that you can download the images onto your device. Once you have downloaded the images, you are going to come back and then click on the plus sign so that you can upload your images. Once you click on it, you're going to select all the images that you downloaded. Select all of them and then click on open. As you can see, that has been done, and you can see the images have been uploaded. Once you upload the images, you're going to scroll down. You can see website. This is where you're going to paste your affiliate link. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see website. What you have to do is that you have to paste your affiliate link here. So you have to come on Digistore24. Once you come on Digistore24, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, copy promo link. Once you copy your promo link, you're going to come back and then paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see phone number. If you want to enter a phone number, you can do that, but in this case, I'm not going to enter any phone number, so just leave it. Once you scroll down, you can see select address, street or intersection, city, province, postal code. What you have to do is that you have to come on Google and then search for fake address. Once you search for fake address, you can see a lot of different websites that you can use to generate a fake address. Just click on any of them so that you can get a fake address. In this case, I'm going to click on this one right here. Once you click on it, you can see this is a fake address. You can see the street name. Just highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see city, province. So you have to come back on your fake address. Once you come back, you have to look for the city or the province. You can see this is the province. You can see it right here. Just highlight and copy the province. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. Once that is done, you can see postal code. When you go back on your fake address, you get a postal code. You can see it right here, postal code. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see remember for future listings. If you want to save your address for a future listing, you can do that. I highly recommend you check this box. Once you check the box, you can click right here, preview, so that you can see how your ad looks like. Once you click on the preview, you can see this is the preview of your ad. You can see everything. You can see everything about your ad. You can see right here your link is clickable. You can see it. Now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, post your entry, or if you want, you can go back on edit. Once you go back on edit, if there is any information that you want to add, you can do that. If everything is okay, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, post your entry. Once you click on post your entry, you can see they have a lot of different promotional options that you can choose. You can see they have 3 of them, so any of them that you want, you can select. In this case, we are not going to select any of them, so click right here, proceed. Once you click on proceed, you can see we have received your listing. After a review of your listing, you will receive an email confirming its activation. Your ad has been submitted to the website waiting for a review. What you have to do is that you have to click right here, start another business listing. Once you click on it, you can create another ad on this website for free. So what I recommend is that you come back on Digistore24. Once you come back on Digistore24, you can select any product that you want. You can see they have a lot of different products. You can see a whole lot of different products. Once we have posted a weight loss offer, you can select a different product and a different category and then post it onto the website. Just come back, you can see digital products, click on it, select this category, post an ad, select another category, post an ad, select another category, post an ad, select another one, post an ad. You have to be consistent, keep on posting different ads, and you are going to be making sales every day on Digistore24 as a complete beginner without any skills and without investing money. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.